Hello everyone, welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today I am participating in a collaboration hosted by Christina from the DIY Mommy channel. If you don't know Christina, she has an amazing channel. She does everything from decorating to renovating. So you really need to check her out if you haven't already. Now in this collab, she asked us to share with you guys a spring DIY or decor project. So I will be sharing with you some spring centerpiece and vignette ideas. Also, she will have a playlist available so that you can check out all of the other participants, and I will have a playlist in my description box as well. Now, let me show you what I have come up with. I had a lot of fun putting all of these ideas together, so I hope you all get lots of inspiration.